Breaking news from Lakemont Park in Altoona, Pennsylvania. For the 2024 season, the park will not be operating any of its rides based on financial sustainability. This includes the world's oldest operating roller coaster, Leap the Dips. Lakemont will still be open to the public this year, offering services for picnics, events, and sports. However, the 8 remaining rides will not operate. The 4x4 cars, go-karts, paddle boats, the miniature train, Tin Lizzies, Lil Leaper, Skyliner, and Leap the Dips. This decision was made based on declining attendance and rising insurance costs. If you visit Lakemont Park's website, none of the rides are listed on Things to Do. There's no ride pricing, and the roller coaster was removed from the logo. Although the rides are drawn on the 2024 park map and labeled as closed for 2024, Leap the Dips is also still prominently displayed on the homepage. Over the past several years, Lakemont has been transforming from a traditional amusement park into a recreational community park. In 2016, most of the rides were removed to make way for other facilities and attractions, such as a new miniature golf course, playground, batting cages, volleyball courts, and basketball courts. But arguably the most notable rides stayed in operation under the park's new management and transformation in 2019, albeit inconsistently. The move of not operating any rides in 2024 seemed sudden but unfortunately inevitable. I have visited Lakemont Park many times over the years, and attendance always seemed light. With its cheap prices, I often wondered how the park was able to stay in business. Now, what will happen with the 2 wooden coasters, Leap the Dips and Skyliner? As we know, Leap the Dips is the oldest operating roller coaster in the world. This side friction coaster was built in 1902 and designed by Edward Joy Morris. It has not run consistently and has had several extended periods where it was standing but not operating. Seeing how this is designated as a National Historic Landmark, I sure hope there will be a push to preserve the structure and hopefully continue to run it for riders. There is a county lease that expires in 2066 that Leap the Dips must be protected, but there can be a right for first refusal. Without a doubt, Lakemont Park would not get the attention it receives without Leap the Dips. It has had several fundraisers in the past to get the ride in operational condition. If it were to close, that would make Scenic Railway at Luna Park in Melbourne, Australia, the oldest operating roller coaster, which opened in 1912. The Skyliner is another notable coaster. Built by John Allen of PTC in 1960, it first operated at Roseland Park in New York. When the park closed in 1985, it was bought by Lakemont Park, known as Boyertown, USA at the time, and it reopened in 1987. I grew up riding both coasters, and they were definitely fun rides. While they could be rough at times, they provide some unique experiences. I personally feel bitter about this news. Let's hope this move of closing the rides are only temporary, and the community recognizes the significance of these rides, especially Leap the Dips. And that will do it for this quick news update. What do you think will become of Lakemont Park? Do you have any memories of the park? Have you rode Leap the Dips? Leave your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like it and subscribe for more content. And with that being said, thank you all for riding, and I'll see you next time.